Hi, I am Dr. Elo, one of the elite ICE 50 avatars to present this course on Complete Guide to the Dental Peer Review Process. By Gina Gallagher, October 20th, 2023. Section #2. How does a dental peer review differ from a malpractice claim or licensing review? A dental peer review is an alternative dispute resolution practice that allows parties to tell their stories, potentially resolve a dispute quickly, and avoid the costs of malpractice litigation. Being named in a peer review will not go on a dentist's public record. It's not a court of law, nor does it follow the same proceedings as one. Rather, it's a confidential way to resolve disputes, sparing both parties time and expense, and helping ensure that they each have the opportunity to present their perspective and to preserve their integrity. Dental peer review versus dental malpractice claim. While both a malpractice lawsuit and a peer review complaint may involve issues around the standard of care provided, they differ in some significant ways. In dental malpractice cases, a judge or jury, most likely, without dental expertise, will determine the outcome of cases. In contrast, a peer review panel most often involves professionals experienced in oral health and general dentistry. But it's not intended as a court of law, and does not use the same rules and procedures. In a malpractice case, plaintiffs may be awarded damages to cover the cost of additional care, financial losses associated with the error, and pain and suffering. Peer review decisions may require the dental professional to reimburse a patient for the cost of the service, but not to pay additional compensation. For a peer review, lawyers typically help prepare the dentist for the mediation phase of the peer review, see below, but do not accompany them to any formal meetings. Meanwhile, a lawyer would usually assist during all malpractice claims negotiations. Peer review boards do not publicly share their reports on their findings. Rather, each party is notified of the results. Dental peer review versus state licensing board review. While both a peer review and a licensing board review sound similar, they also differ in important ways. Licensing boards deal with violations related to licensing requirements, but peer review boards do not have the authority to restrict or revoke a dentist's ability to practice. The goal of a licensing board is to ensure a dentist is capable and ethical in their practice, while the goal of a peer review is typically to resolve a dispute. Licensing board actions will be made public, while peer review decisions are kept confidential. In cases involving ethical issues or a pattern of problematic treatment, a peer review board may refer the matter to the State Board of Dentistry or the Dental Society's Ethics Committee. And it works both ways. State licensing boards also may refer cases to peer review boards when an issue doesn't involve a licensing violation. What types of actions are recommended by the peer review board? The peer review board may make several different decisions after its review. If it decides in the patient's favor, the dentist may be asked to adjust, refund, or waive a portion of the fees charged, redo the dental work, improve their training or knowledge. If it decides in the dentist's favor, the patient may be asked to pay for services provided, return an oral health device such as a denture or dental appliance,